it is day 2 in Hilo. So that security guard was right. We didn't go to Kona today. We were supposed to be in Kona today, but because of the air quality and just the dangers of the volcano that's going on, they decided to just spend another day here in Hilo. So we're not sure exactly what we're gonna do yet. We did rent a car yesterday. If we would have known, we would have kept the car because we had it for 24 hours. But we turned it in, and so now we're just gonna walk downstairs and get off the ship and see what's going on, see if they have some free shuttle to go out to town, or maybe just walk down there because it's not too far. So stay tuned. Woo, it's sunny today. Hopefully it stays like this, because yesterday it was pouring. If I look the same as I did yesterday, it's because I'm wearing the same hat and the same shirt. But I did change. Right, Fatty?
I changed. I showered.
We both showered. All right, so to go to downtown, we could have taken a free shuttle that comes by every 30 minutes, but it only takes an hour to walk downtown, so we decided to just walk, get some exercise, and enjoy the views.
Nice day.
It's a nice day. It's not raining. It's not too hot. A little humid, but not too bad. So yeah, we're just gonna enjoy it. So we hadn't even left the port when I started getting hot. So it is a little humid today. So I took my sweater off. But yeah, as soon as you guys walk out of the port right there, you guys just make a right and it'll take you straight to downtown if you wanted to walk. I've seen a lot of people walking, so it's pretty safe. Check out those leaves. They just grow all the way up to the tree. And then once they get up there and they can't grow no more, the vines start coming down. So cool. I won't go in there anymore. Yesterday, when I decided to go into that little jungle, I came out with so many bug bites on my legs. My legs are still red. I have big old welts on my legs. It's itchy. Oh my gosh, so uncomfortable. Trying not to scratch them because they're big and red. So I don't know what bit me. I don't know what kind of little insects they have in there. But yeah, they got me good. They got a little truck there with iced coffee. I don't know what else they have there.
They'll give me a nice stop.
All right, let's go. We're gonna go check it out. Look at that turtle, you guys. I could see it really good from here. Hopefully you guys can too. Oh, look at the little crab. There's a little crab right on that rock. Alright, you guys, if the sound is kind of off on my videos, I think I need to invest in a new camera, because this one, for some reason, when I use my other cameras, the sound is okay, but when I use this one, I don't know, it sounds weird. Somebody actually commented one time that I should fix the sound to my videos, which I've tried, but I think it's my camera. So I'm gonna be looking into maybe getting a new camera. But because this is the one I like to use because I could zoom in and out. The other ones I don't have any zoom options on it, so man, I haven't walked this long in such a long time. It's beautiful here though. We're at the park right across from the cruise terminal. There it is, way out there in the distance. Our stateroom is actually facing this park, so we could see all this from our stateroom. So cool. There's people on their paddle boards. Very nice little area here. all these vines. It looks like just pieces of string are hanging off the tree. So pretty. Hi, little chicken. Oh, there's a lot of them. Well, 3 of them right there. They're just all over the place. All right, this right over here on my left is the Japanese garden. I'm gonna get closer to see what they have there.
We gotta be on this side.
All right.
Walking slow.
All right. So this is a Japanese garden. I'm gonna walk over here real quick and just, ouch. Film whatever I can see here. Yeah? So pretty. Very, very pretty. Really cute little bridge over here. All right, so the gentleman at the information center at the port said that the walk was only an hour to town. We've been walking an hour and 20 minutes already, and we're still not there, and we still have more to walk. We're close though, so whew, almost there. And we were just talking to another couple that's on the ship too, and they did this walk yesterday and they loved it. So it's beautiful. There's a bunch of little canoe shops here, or like storage for the canoes, I guess. Not sure if you could rent them from here, but they're all locked up. But a lot of canoes here. Super cool. There's some gentlemen right there getting ready to take one out. All right, we're literally walking on the side of the road and it starts raining on us. Whew. Hopefully we get to somewhere where we won't get too soaked. All right, we're taking a little break here on some bleachers, but it took us an hour and 30 minutes to get here. So it wasn't 3 miles, it was more like 4 miles. Maybe Hawaiian miles are different, that's what Thomas said. I don't know, but man, I gotta start walking because I am out of shape. I'm tired. But we're gonna keep walking. There's a farmer's market right across the street, and we're gonna go check that out and then check out the rest of the town. All right, we made it downtown. This is the historic town of Hilo. Bunch of little shops, restaurants, boutiques, a bunch of stuff here.
Oh man.
Yeah. Bunch of little shops here. It's pretty old looking over here. Very interesting, very old buildings. All right, here's the farmer's market. Got some fresh coconut juice right here. I am probably gonna get one because I am dying of thirst after I walk around and look around. So cool. Beautiful flowers. Aloha. Hi. I said aloha to a Hawaiian lady and she says, hi! Look at these, you guys. So pretty. Wow. Finally got my shaved ice. This one is called the Big Island Love. It is coconut lime topped with fresh strawberries and condensed coconut milk. All right, let's try this, guys. Delicious. Wow, that is so good. And it began, started pouring on us, heading back to the ship now. All right, made it safely back on the ship. We're dry now. We walked 4 miles to town, but then we took an Uber back. Every Uber person that we've had here is so nice. Very, very nice, very informative. We don't even have to ask them. They just start talking and telling us different places to go see, things to go do. And this one lady that brought us right now, she actually took a picture 3 miles from the volcano, and it looked so cool. All right, so she took the picture 3 miles from the main road that goes from here to Kona, right? And then now the volcano is 1.5 miles from that main road, so they might shut it down, they said. And it's after 1:30 and everybody should be on the ship. It stopped raining, so people are out on the pool deck. And we are gonna go sit towards the back of the ship and have some drinks. Discovered where the arcade was at. I hadn't been in here. So cool. It's on deck 13. We were just looking for a restroom.
That way.
Oh, really? Wow. Oh, cool. Very nice, very nice. My grandkids would love it in here. It's not too big, but it's really nice. If you guys are wondering if the seas are rough out here, look at that pool.